go.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, western Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Spartanburg, or near Mail, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Gaffney, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Pacolet, Cowpens, Mail, Chesney, Pacolet Mills, Cedar Springs, and USC upstate. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and Spartanburg. The National Weather Service in Green.